Hey everybody, welcome to my Penny Go Boom. This is a Friday update on ticker IDNG. So just I've been haven't had a lot of time today to dive into any of these videos, but I've been getting an overwhelming amount of mails asking me what I think about the stock. So I guess I'll pour it out here in a quick short video. Though a lot of people were upset today that today was a down day. You know what? It's okay. I'm actually okay with it. The overall look at the chart here is still intact. This is a one-day chart. Each one of these represents 1 day of price action. So after with our really big move here on Monday, we made a massive move here. I think closed up 723% this day at a high of 1100 ish. The next day, there was bound to be some profit taking. Came down, established a support right here at 0.0075. The next day, and that's where we started out. Stock made its way back up to where we closed on Monday. So this became a resistance here at 0.139014 area. And then again, so then yesterday the stock did move up again. It broke some of those supports, but it just still closed right out. It closed right at that resistance right here at 0.14. So this 0.14 area is obviously an area of major resistance going forward to try and hold above. And then today, we did drop 30-ish%, and it fell to the support level right here at 0.09. I'm sorry, 0.009. So again, this doesn't look too bad because this is putting in higher lows. Again, we didn't see a retrace of this big move here, so that's really something. It is holding these gains in this area, and as each on the days that we do go red, you're seeing that we are putting in a higher low. Even though we had red here on Tuesday, you see this low was down here at not this low, but where we closed at 0.072, and then on our next basically down day, which was today, you can see that even though we closed down, we closed higher than the last time it was red. So as long as we're putting in higher lows, that's the name of the game. I mean, it's not going to go green every single day. But the one thing I've been preaching here almost every day is volume, 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 volume. This thing needs the volume to pick up. It just really does. You can see here that this is the volume bar. On Monday we had that nice big volume move of how many shares here? It was like 110 million shares, and then today was only 11 million shares. But to everyone who didn't see, today the OTC markets were halted for a few hours, and trading did not resume on the West Coast till 10 a.m. So there was only 3 hours in the trading day. I think a lot of the momentum had kind of stopped. People maybe walked away from their computers, didn't know when it was going to start back up. So only 11 million shares were traded today, and it was a little walk down on small trades. Although, it needs to pick back up. But it is putting in higher lows. And another big thing to look at is this green line here, the 5-day simple moving average, is well above the 10-day simple moving average. And that usually indicates a short to medium term uptrend, which it's in. So that looks great. As far as the MACD is still above the 0 line, still turned up. Nothing to really worry about there, guys. So overall, the chart is still intact. Everything does look good except volume just needs to pick up. So, personally, I'm not going to lose any sleep over this weekend. We're putting in higher lows, and that's the name of the game. Just going into next week, we have some resistances we need to get through. Let's get a little closer here on the 15-minute chart and take a look at some of those. If I can zoom in here. What's going on here? Okay, so going into Monday, this area of the chart over here, guys. Going into Monday, we're going to need to break above 1 cent. This is gonna be the first resistance level. The next one after that is going to be at 0.0109. The next one after that is going to be at 0.012, and after that 0.0131. And after that, it's going to be 0.014, the biggest resistance that the stock has had issues going through. You can see here, 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 and here. So 0.014 is going to be the big resistance to go through. But with this stock with some volume, if you've been watching it, this thing moves really quick. Once the volume pours in at the ask, it moves really, really fast. So again, guys, I'm not going to lose sleep over this one this weekend. Overall, the chart is still uptrending. Everything is intact. Riding upper Bollinger here, except today, obviously, on this down day. But everything looks pretty good. So we'll see you guys on Monday, IDNG. Hopefully these guys can put out some news and we can have some big moves. But other than that, please follow me on Twitter, iHub, and subscribe here to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much, you guys. We'll see ya.